We are all in love with smartphones and tablets. While you get the hottest phone, the #1 tech problem remains: weak battery life. Introducing Speedy, the first charging cable that not only doubles your charging speed, but also maximizes battery life with healthier, longer-lasting charges. Featuring LED indicator, magnetic ends, durable exterior, and the right length. Our devices get smarter each year, but the charger still gets messy. It breaks, and it slowly kills the precious battery with heat and mini-cycles. So, experts warn us, don't leave your fully charged phone plugged in. Lithium-ion batteries can overheat when charged for too long. Samsung says, unplug once charge is complete. And Apple tells us, remove certain cases during charging. But we can't always follow them, can we? That's why we created Speedy. Once fully charged, Speedy cuts off the power completely, so you don't have to unplug, removing battery damages overnight and extending battery life the next day. When you finish syncing, simply touch the button to switch into Smart and Fast mode. Now Speedy charges your phone twice as fast, cutting your charging time in half. Store Speedy using its magnetic ends next to your bed, in your car, on your desk, behind your desktop. Each Speedy cable comes with a durable and colorful braided exterior, so no more frayed or tangled cords. You deserve better charging experience. Pledge now and we'll send you your own Speedy.
That's the sound of your phone connecting to a charger. It's the sound of relief, knowing you are still connected to the world. Connecting and disconnecting your phone from a charger should be a simple, seamless task. But it isn't. We've all been there, frustrated at our cables for any number of reasons. Despite cable tips becoming smaller, they haven't evolved to become any easier to connect. Until now. Presenting the future of USB cables. ASAP Connect. Featuring rare earth neodymium magnets with 18-karat gold plating. ASAP Connect will change the way you interact with your USB devices forever. Featuring the world's first reversible cable on both the phone end and charger end. It works by inserting the tip to the phone, and the cable magnetizes onto the tip instantly, meaning you can effortlessly connect when you only have one hand free, or in a hurry to head out, or even in the dark. You no longer have to worry about your devices getting damaged. Phones, mini cameras, and speakers. The other is for Apple products. We've removed the weakness of your traditional Apple Lightning connector tip, which snaps off easily by combining the tip and base into one piece. We call this the Alpha Connector. One of the engineering hurdles in designing ASAP Connect was its compact size. By condensing the technology down to the size of a fingertip, we're able to make sure that it's compatible with all phone cases. In creating a new standard for USB cables, we have performed the most stringent quality control tests, combined with superior materials to really challenge the user's expectations of what a state-of-the-art USB cable should be. We've spent the past 2 years working closely with one of the world's largest USB cable manufacturers. We're a team of disruptors from Sydney to LA who believe that users should be the creators of products, not large corporations seeking profit over practicality. We've created the final prototypes and delivered samples to dozens of major tech publications worldwide.
Hi, my name's Todd Gable. About 5 years ago, we started a company called TDi Cable. product was a microfiber cloth used to clean tablets, smartphones, and anything that really can get greasy. The fundamental idea behind the TDi cloth was to create a product that you can relate to. You select a beautiful design, whether you're a man or a woman or a child. The idea behind all our products is to make useful, decorative, fashionable, fun accessories for the tech products that you use every day. Now we're embarking on a new product called the TDi Cable. Just like the TDi cloth, it's all about personalization. It's all about having something that you use every single day to power your devices, to sync your devices, and yet you can design it and you can customize it. And we can print beautiful images on it. Images that match your smartphone case, match your power bank. There are hundreds of designs to choose from, and you can even customize it by putting your name on the cable or your favorite saying or a poem. So we really made something very mundane, beautiful, and customizable. We've solved the problem of personality-free cables. The other problem that we solved is the never-ending problem of someone borrowing your cable and never giving it back. Just add your name or any design and you know it's yours. We found the best manufacturer to make the highest quality cable for both Apple and Android devices. Once you personalize your cable, we take that image and print it on the cable right here in Chicago. Our Apple cables are certified by Apple, so you'll never have the problem of an incompatible cable charging your phone. So there are 3 options when choosing a TDi cable. An Apple certified cable that will charge your iPhone, your iPad, or any Apple device. A micro USB cable for Android devices and other consumer electronic products. And then finally, kind of the best of both worlds is that we have a special adapter that fits on the micro USB cable that allows you to charge Apple devices using your micro USB cable. This is a product that you're going to have for many years to come. Thank you for watching our video.
This is the Mic Flip, the world's first fully reversible USB cable. Plugs in both ways, no more guessing. I own a Mic Flip. Jealous? You should be. That is, if you're still using one of those average single-sided USB cables. The Mic Flip works with every device seen here. Come on, would a shitty video prop lie to you? I'm not talking about your average USB cable here. I'm talking about a corrosion-resistant, gold-coated plug with an aluminum housing. I bet you didn't know you needed corrosion-resistant, gold-coated plugs and an aluminum housing. But now you do. So, you ask the million-dollar question. How many limbs must I sacrifice in order to obtain this feat of engineering? None. You can keep your limbs. For the measly price we're asking, you could buy 5 rubber ducks, or 3 sets of mechanical teeth, or a pack of non-alcoholic beer. But you don't want any of that crap. You want the Mic Flip. Let's talk about your average USB cable. Is it tangle-free? Is it nylon braided? Does it have super protective rubber protection? Didn't think so. But you know what does? The Mic Flip. And we'll ship it to your door, no matter where you live.